Welcome to my channel Explore with Navish.
Top 10 Hindi words you must know. Hello, Namaste. Thank you, धन्यवाद. Sorry, माफ कीजिए. Yes, हाँ. No, नहीं. Let's learn some daily life words. Home, घर. Food, खाना. Milk, दूध. Bread, रोटी. Water, पानी. Tree, पेड़. Fruits, फल. Vegetable, सब्जी. Tea, चाय. Rice, चावल. Let's go. चलो. Sun, सूरज. Moon, चांद.
Thank you for watching Explore with Navish. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share.